to stop my heart from breaking? What can I do to ease the pain? How can I stop the earth from shaking? Searching for strength to keep me safe.
What can we do to make it better? Is it too late for us to try?
Now I rethink the things I treasure. A fragment of hope is in these eyes. We shall rise again.
We shall rise and spread our wings once
We
again.
shall rise.